Welcome to our demo of the BR Systems bike lift. Forget the back-breaking effort of lifting heavy bikes. With the BR Systems bike lift, simply press a button and watch as it effortlessly raises and lowers your bikes. This lift supports up to 60 kilograms, easily handling 2 e-bikes or 3 standard bikes. Installed by us here at RV Services, this system makes bike storage in your RV both simple and efficient. Enjoy a clutter-free RV without the hassle of lifting heavy bikes. Ready to upgrade your RV experience? Check out the link in the description for more information about getting your own BR Systems bike lift. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great RV tips and product demos.